Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install LendingTree to compare refinance and investment rates. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the search bar, type LendingTree and press enter. Click on the official LendingTree website link that appears in the search results. Once the website loads, locate the sign up or get started button, usually found on the home page. Click on that button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a sign-up form. Fill in the required personal information, such as your name, email address, and financial details. Make sure to create a strong password for your account. After completing the form, review your information for accuracy. Once you confirm that everything is correct, click on the Create Account or Sign Up button. You may receive a verification email shortly after. Check your email inbox for a message from LendingTree. Open the email and click the verification link provided. Once your account is verified, return to the LendingTree website. Log in using your email and the password you just created. After logging in, navigate to the Refinance or Investment section. Click on the option that best suits your needs. Enter the necessary information regarding your current loan or investment property. This may include details like the loan amount, property value, and credit score. Next, the platform will analyze your information. It may take a few moments to compare available rates from different lenders. Once the comparison is complete, review the list of offered rates. Take note of terms, conditions, and any fees associated with the options. If you find a suitable rate, click on it for more details. This will often lead you to the lender's application page. Fill out any additional required information to proceed. Finally, submit your application for review by the lender. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.